Hi, I am Mrs. Konianta Lanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Konianta Lanya Magnaya Quezon the First. They is putting me hypertension. I am not COVID. They is putting me hypertension. Iba na attitude ni Alex. Ah, I am not COVID, and then putting me on a situation of COVID is their criminality while they is putting me hypertension. That is what happened in this year 2025. Ah, my back is on pain, such as sting. I have no hypertension. The COVID is talking on my ear. Seriousness, is there will help me? Seryoso, is there will help me? I not do wrong. I am just inside of the house and then involving illness on myself. Puro sila blame, blame, blame. Kajiri, Kaji. Is putting me on drama. Ayaw ko niya kasi. Nakakatiri sila. Not part of my socialization is them. Not part of my socialization is them. They is putting me hypertension at this year 2025. I am Honey Ann. I am not with Alex Jr. ko. Even police is backer of COVID. The COVID is so clingy on my life. Hindi ko gusto. That is their pervertness. I not want them, and then they tends to clingy on myself, that they not socialize on myself. They is cousin, talanya cousin. They is just hurting me, harasses me, and then they just getting of my panaginip that they not want me to be a rich person. I am college degree that I am capable when it comes into working. Ajiri kayo! I will never socialize unto them. There is putting hypertension on myself. Dramatic as well, Robert Gonzalez Magnaye, putting me on a situation of rapist even though I am not rapist. When it comes onto rapist, a child, a baby, they is putting it on my mind so that myself to have traumatization on brain brain cancer, and then it leads to the bobocamouflage short high, that that person is being slashed the head. Akin si Alex. Anong ginagawa ni Alex? Bakit si Alex biniblame din ako? Loyal akong babae. Ayun, tapos sinasaktan yung sarili ko. She, Alex Aguimentisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First, is erotic on my feeling, of which is myself is not being cared. Parang of just what he wants, that is what is hmm? Patayin yung kabit, singit sa buhay. Love life ko, Alex ko. Nagkakaroon lang ako ng sakit ng dahil sa ganito. Yung karma. Yung karma. Pataasin yung karma. Pataasin yung karma. Put on high is the karma. About life and death of a person, so that bad person be dead. They use black magic. They harasses me. Furious me. They My neck is on hitness. I am just on this situation of hurting my ear, and then my neck is on hurting hitness. Letter H, letter E, letter A, letter D, letter N, letter E, letter S, letter S. The talking of them, when I touch my ear, it is sting feeling. They uses black magic so that they could put illness on myself. And they is bad person. Okay. Please kill them. Ah, 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 ah. I have no illness. I eat 3 times a day, 3 count a day, of which is I not eat massive food. That is why myself is this doing of them hurting me is just putting myself illness because they is killing me. I need help. Sana! Sa tawag! Di pagiging sa buhay ko! Pamatayan nila! Criminal! Criminal here, Philippine Bobo camouflage. What is the color of camouflage? You know what it is. My babies na I will not put my baby on ballerina. Why my foot is such this? It says Precious Crucendico on the right eye. Girl gender. I need to talk. Pinapatay na nga ako eh. Tapos ayaw pa ako pasalitain. I have a lover. Alex Jr. ko lover ko. My neck is on pain. Alex, lesson sa buhay, hindi random. Kala ko ba matalino ka? Bakit parang nilalaman ka na ng bobo? Alex, ang buhay hindi random. Nakakadiri yung comment. Tapos yung sarili mong ginugusto yung comment. Ayan na, hindi nga. Diri yung comment, Alex. May tao sabi hindi daw. Hindi tutong in English dialecto. This is not improvement. They just hurting me and then they get of what is mine. Margie Talanya is ruining my moment to Alex Jr. ko when it comes on to love life. About putting about going at hospital for whole body treatment. That is part of my dating to Alex Jr. ko. At the moment, the bobo camouflage is interfere na naman. Lesbian. Babae ako. I am a girl. On a life of a person. Those person that hurts me on the use of black magic. Be dead. On a description of casket. Ayo. I will never socialize onto them. Ang mukha mo. They is clingy. They just getting of what is mine. They deny na.